10 Health Benefits of Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a highly delicious spice. It has been prized for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Modern science has now confirmed what people have known for ages. Here are 10 health benefits of cinnamon that are supported by scientific research. 1. Cinnamon is high in a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is a spice that is made from the inner bark of trees, scientifically known as cinnamomum. It has been used in various forms throughout history, starting from ancient Egypt. It was regarded as a gift that kings would bestow upon their guests. These days, cinnamon is cheap, available in every supermarket, and found as an ingredient in various foods and recipes. There are two main types of cinnamon. Salon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon, the more common variety today and what people generally refer to as cinnamon. Cinnamon is made by cutting the stems of cinnamon trees. The inner bark is then extracted and the woody parts removed. When it dries, it forms strips that curl into rolls, called cinnamon sticks. These sticks can be ground to form cinnamon powder. The distinct smell and flavor of cinnamon are due to the oily part, which is very high in the compound cinnamaldehyde. Scientists believe that this compound is responsible for most of cinnamon's powerful effects on health and metabolism. 2. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols. A study conducted on 26 spices revealed that cinnamon had the highest level of antioxidant activity. It outranked other supposedly healthy foods such as garlic and oregano. In fact, it is so powerful that cinnamon can be used as a natural food preservative. 3. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is incredibly important. It helps your body fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, inflammation can become a problem when it's chronic and directed against your body's own tissues. Studies have shown that cinnamon and its antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties. This spice can be very helpful in reducing inflammation. 4. Cinnamon may cut the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, the world's most common cause of premature death. In people with type 2 diabetes, 1 gram or about half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood markers. High levels of LDL or bad cholesterol can be reduced by taking a small amount of cinnamon. On the other hand, HDL cholesterol can stay stable. A recent review revealed that even a small amount of cinnamon can have these effects. It found that taking a small amount of cinnamon can raise HDL cholesterol levels. In animal studies, cinnamon has been shown to reduce blood pressure. When combined, all these factors may drastically cut your risk of heart disease. 5. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Insulin is one of the key hormones that regulate metabolism and energy use. It's also essential for transporting blood sugar from your bloodstream to your cells. The problem is that many people are resistant to the effects of insulin. This is known as insulin resistance, a hallmark of serious conditions like metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. The good news is that cinnamon can dramatically reduce insulin resistance, helping this important hormone do its job. By increasing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels. 6. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. Cinnamon is well known for its blood sugar lowering properties. Apart from the beneficial effects on insulin resistance, cinnamon can lower blood sugar by several other mechanisms. First, cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal. This is done by interfering with the activities of digestive enzymes, which slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in the gastrointestinal tract. Second, a compound in cinnamon can act on cells by mimicking insulin. This greatly improves glucose uptake by your cells, though it acts much slower than insulin itself. Numerous human studies have shown that taking a small portion of cinnamon can reduce fasting blood sugar levels by up to 29%. The effective dose is typically 1 to 6 grams or around 0.5 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon per day. 7. Cinnamon may have beneficial effects on neurodegenerative diseases. Neurodegenerative diseases are characterized by progressive loss of the structure or function of brain cells. Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease are two of the most common types. In studies, Two compounds found in cinnamon have been shown to reduce the buildup of a protein known as tau in the brain, which is a common symptom of Alzheimer's disease. In studies on mice with Parkinson's disease, cinnamon was able to improve the function of the neurons and decrease the levels of neurotransmitters. These effects need to be studied further in humans. 8. Cinnamon may protect against cancer. Cancer is a serious disease, characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its potential use in cancer prevention and treatment. The evidence supporting the use of cinnamon in cancer treatment and prevention is limited. However, animal studies suggest that its extract can protect against the disease. It acts by reducing the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors and appears to be toxic to cancer cells, causing cell death. A study on mice revealed that cinnamon activates the enzymes that break down cancer cells. These findings suggest that cinnamon could help prevent colon cancer from growing. Test tube studies also supported the findings, as they revealed that cinnamon activates the protective responses of human colon cells. Whether cinnamon has any effect on living, breathing humans needs to be confirmed in controlled studies. 9. Cinnamon helps fight bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamaldehyde, one of the main active components of cinnamon, may help fight various kinds of infection. Cinnamon oil has been shown to effectively treat respiratory tract infections caused by fungi. It can also inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, including Listeria and Salmonella. However, the evidence is limited and so far cinnamon has not been shown to reduce infections elsewhere in the body. The antimicrobial effects of cinnamon may also help prevent tooth decay and reduce bad breath. 10. Cinnamon may help fight the HIV virus. HIV is a virus that slowly breaks down your immune system, which can eventually lead to AIDS, if untreated. Cassia varieties of cinnamon are known to contain antiviral properties, which may help fight the HIV-1 strain commonly found in humans. A study conducted on HIV-infected cells supported the idea that cinnamon can effectively treat the virus. Human trials are needed to confirm these effects. It is better to use Salon, true cinnamon. Not all cinnamon is created equal. Cassia varieties are known to have high levels of a compound known as coumarin, which is potentially harmful in large doses. All cinnamon should have health benefits, but cassia may cause problems in large doses due to the coumarin content. Salon, true cinnamon, is much better in this regard, and studies show that it's much lower in coumarin than the cassia variety. Unfortunately, most cinnamon found in supermarkets is the cheaper cassia variety. You may be able to find Salon in some health food stores, and there is a good selection on iHerb. The bottom line. At the end of the day, cinnamon is one of the most delicious and healthiest spices on the planet. It can lower blood sugar levels and reduce heart disease risk factors. It can also help lower the risk of various other chronic diseases. Just make sure to get Salon cinnamon or stick to small doses if you're using the cassia variety.